There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place is much brighter than tomorrow.
In 2009, the Jamaica Information Service adopted the Mount Olivet Boys' Home, located in Walderston, Manchester. It was a move that reflected the agency's corporate social responsibility and its aim to reach the most vulnerable around us, even as it carries out its mandate to inform the public on government policies and programs.
Make a better place. Heal the world. Make it a better place.
Recently, representatives of the agency went on their annual back-to-school initiative at the home, sharing in the church service and offering a wide array of school items to the boys. Special Projects Officer for the JIS, Christine Adigold, gave greetings on behalf of the agency.
We've been trying to come at least 3 times a year, interacting with the boys. We come during the Easter period, during back to school, and we come during the Christmas time. We've noticed the growth and development of the boys, and we're really happy for that.
A number of sponsors came on board to provide refreshments and the back-to-school items of school bags, shoes, books, and stationery to the appreciative youngsters. Sponsors for the outreach were Juicy Patties, Novelty Trading Company Limited, Sammy's, Mega Mart, and Ewan Blake's Why Be Afraid Foundation, who have also adopted the home. Vice Chair of the Mount Olivet Board, Grace Campbell, expressed gratitude to JIS and other sponsors.
I think it's a very, very good gesture that JIS came on board and have been mentoring the boys and have been paying so much attention to them. And also the things you give them from time to time, I'm sure it is helping out with the cost of running the home, because this is a very costly venture. And so when you bring gifts for them, it helps with the subvention that you receive from government.
Heal the world. Make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race.
The Mount Olivet boys were more than glad to share what the occasion meant for them.
It's a very awesome feeling for me. I've been a part of my life since I've been here, and it's a very long while. And they've been really awesome, and we're really grateful for that, and may God bless them always.
It's a really wonderful feeling to know that there are people out there who care about us, and the JIS family has been a part of us for a really long time, and they do feel like family to us, and for that we appreciate that.